The cleanup from Hurricane Helene is far from over, and now communities across the state are dealing with the widespread damage from the wrath of Hurricane Milton.
WESH 2's investigative reporter Justin Shecker explains what homeowners need to do when filing a claim and why the insurance market avoided a worst-case scenario.
When Hurricane Milton roared across central Florida, Tony Saldana was at his home in Polk County. When he returned to his other home in Mount Dora,
I noticed, when I came here, this whole tree is knocked down.
He says right now he doesn't know the extent of the damage to the home, but he wasted no time contacting his insurance company.
I did call the claims and, the process is being started.
According to data from the state, nearly 44,000 insurance claims have already been filed since Milton made landfall as a Category 3 hurricane. The estimated price tag on that damage so far is nearly $600 million.
If you can't get access to your property right now, that's fine. It doesn't mean you can't start the claim process.
Compared to Hurricane Helene that brought a catastrophic storm surge along much of Florida's Gulf Coast, Mark Freelander of the Insurance Information Institute says Milton caused a lot more wind damage across the peninsula. In some locations, there was destruction from an unprecedented outbreak of tornadoes.
Overall scope of the wind damage should not be as severe as what we saw with Ian, but it will be larger than what we've seen previously this year.
The worst case scenario for the state's property insurance market may have been avoided because Tampa Bay did not take a direct hit. But there's still significant street flooding from Milton's torrential rainfall in the Tampa area and throughout central Florida.
And that's why it's so important to have flood insurance in Florida, because hurricanes just don't cause wind damage.
Friedlander urges homeowners to provide as much documentation as possible in filing claims. He says they should submit photos showing what a home looked like before and after Hurricane Milton. While this large tree still needs to be cut up and removed, Saldana says he feels fortunate about how it came crashing down.
Well, this house is actually being sold, so, I felt pretty lucky that the house is still standing.
Reporting in Lake County, I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.
The updated insured losses from Hurricane Helene is $1.1 billion. Hurricane Ian's has surpassed more than $21.3 billion.